Exterior lighting can be one of the best ways to make your home look beautiful. At Northern Lighting, we install exterior lighting that can be controlled easily with an app on your phone. This means that you can turn your accent lights into Christmas lights, game day lights, and Halloween lights by simply pushing a button. The app comes with pre-programmed lighting patterns and gives you the ability to make custom designs. The install process is quick and easy, and our team handles everything. Click now to have a member of our team reach out to give you a free quote.
They took in my considerations of what I was looking for, what I wanted, where I wanted to mount my box. They made it happen, and with no problems. So my favorite part about having permanent lighting is that I have the control of whatever I want, from Easter to Christmas to birthdays. Any holiday I can think of, I get the control without having to go up on my roof to change them out every time.